In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw your winnings from Prizepicks so you can enjoy your earnings hassle-free. Step 1. Open the Prizepicks app or website. Launch the Prizepicks app on your device or go to prizepicks.com on your browser. Log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the withdrawal section. In the app, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. On the website, click the menu in the top right corner. Select Request Withdrawal from the menu. Step 3. Choose your withdrawal method. You can withdraw to any bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or debit card that you've previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, minimum $10. Step 4. Confirm your withdrawal. You'll receive a one-time password, OTP, via email. Enter the OTP to confirm your withdrawal request. Important notes. Ensure you've met the 1x playthrough requirement. Play through your deposited funds once before withdrawing. Withdrawals can only be made to approved payment methods used for deposits. Only one successful withdrawal is allowed every 24 hours. Processing may take up to 5 business days, but some users may experience faster processing times. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Prizepicks tutorials and tips.